Hey, Barton here from Lee Summit Dent Repair. Does this look familiar? Unfortunately, most of us have grown accustomed to seeing these dents, dings, creases. Here's a 3-inch crease dent I recently repaired using the Paintless Dent Removal process, also known as PDR. Haven't we all at one time or another had one of these on our vehicles? Well, watch this video and we'll show you why you don't have to live with these anymore. At Lee Summit Dent Repair, we specialize in this highly skilled technique of paintless dent removal. We conveniently come to you and fix your dents quickly, affordably, and without hassle. In many cases, your dents can be repaired without having to take your vehicle to a body shop. This customer was extremely happy when I got finished with this repair. If you're not sure if your dents qualify for PDR, contact us and we'll answer your questions and let you know if this repair process is right for you. There's no need to keep those dents if we can remove them for you. Watch the rest of this video and see how excellence matters to us.